We're back to the unboxing videos, and we're gonna unbox Winterfest Lobster today. We're starting to open it now. Come on, it's just hard sometimes. Good, it popped out. I'll give you a show of the. Oh man, I'll show you that. And now let's take it out. Okay. Yep, so the character is here. Winterfest Lobster. Pretty cool. I'll be showing you. Yeah, look at the back. And yep, so we'll be showing you the other stuff too. Okay, we've got a card. Yep, pretty cool. Winterfest Lobster. And that's the card. And this is the code thing, but I'll not be showing you the code. Okay, so let's check it out again. Yep, so pretty good. I'm gonna add them to my collection. My snapshot is downstairs, so it's you and old you. Okay, so yeah, that would be my game. That would be my showing. I might do Minecraft on my next vid, and so bye. See you on my next video.